You know when you look at something you want to buy and it just seems so fire and then you impulsively buy a bunch of things? I did that so many times for Fortnite and video games. Like some new fire skin just came out in the item shop. Buy, minus 150 V-Bucks. No, not 150, bro. That's way too little. 1,500 V-Bucks. $15. Boom. And then boom, I want to buy this. Boom. Dad, can you please buy this? Mom, can you please give me another Visa gift card? I've spent so much money on video games. I know for a fact. I remember I used to check like all the payments for my Fortnite account. Guess how much money I spent on Fortnite? It wasn't 100. It wasn't $1. It wasn't $15. It wasn't $500. It was more. It wasn't 850. It was $1,000. Bingo if you guessed it right. I spent $1,000 on Fortnite. Just Fortnite alone, not the 5, 10s, and hundreds of other games that I played. I spent at least $400 on Brawl Stars and Clash Royale. I've spent at least another $600 on all the video games, all the Pokemon, all the this and this video games for the Switch, for the Wii, for the Wii U, all those games. And if I didn't even realize, if you don't include the video game consoles that I buy, that's another $1,000. Spending a Wii, Wii U, Switch, DS, this and this and this. That's $1,000. Imagine right now, I didn't spend my money on those things and I had $3,000. Like, what would you do if you had $3,000 right now? $3,000. I know for sure that I would buy some things that would elevate me and I wouldn't even spend it all. Like, whenever I would have some birthday money, like I would literally have birthday parties just so I could get money. And it actually worked, bro. Maybe I'm about to have like 10 kids, so then all of those kids get birthday parties and then boom, you get $300 from each kid. And then what is that? $3,000 every year just from having a birthday party? That's genius, bro. But I would literally get $300, $400 from my birthday party. And then I just guess what I spent all that money on. Visa gift card, Visa gift card, Visa gift card, Visa gift card. Fortnite, Valorant, Minecraft, this and this, bro. Spent it everywhere. Just all on video games. I remember doing chores for this, doing vacuuming, doing the dishes, getting $2 every time I washed the dishes, and then just exploiting it, doing it for breakfast, and then lunch, and then dinner, and then getting $6 a day. Begging my brother and parents for some extra money and I'll pay them later, when I never really did. Just imagine if you had $3,000 right now. Like, the amount of things you would probably buy, right? The amount of things that you could be able to buy and the things that you could afford right now, but you're not able to because your past self, your younger self, just wanted to spend it all on video games. Like, dude, $3,000. I could do so much with that, bro. $3,000. That's like a whole Mr. Beast challenge, bro. $3,000. When I did get some extra money from the stuff I did that I didn't spend on video games, though, I spent it on shoes, clothes, which is honestly not that bad. I bought these shoes from someone for $15. These fire shoes. Like, everybody was like, bro, what are those? What are those shoes? Where'd you get them from? I bought them for $15. I thought it was a joke, like it was like some funny joke, a shoe I can wear to school sometimes to make other people laugh, but I checked the pricing of that shoe and it's literally $150. I literally 10x'd my profit off that if I do sell it, which I honestly might, bro. $150 does not sound bad. And I already sold some other stuff in school. I sold one of my video games I had for the Nintendo Switch, ARMS. It was pretty terrible, like I don't care about that. And then I'm about to sell my Nintendo Switch, which I'm literally selling for $350 with some games on there. I'm just giving so much value in that thing and giving so much value to that person that's buying it. so I make sure he buys it. And I don't care, oh, he's just lucky, he already spent so much money on it, so he's not, like, profiting any. I will honestly say it's a profit, because I don't have to think about playing video games on my Nintendo Switch, because I sold it. It's already gone. Like, I can't play video games. If you want to stop playing video games and stop doing the bad habits, what if you just sold your phone? What if you just sold all the video games you had? Sold your account, sold this and this. Like, I literally gave someone my Brawl Stars account, this same person who's buying my Switch, for free. I gave him my free Brawl Stars account, which I've spent tens and hundreds of hours. Like, not only have I spent so many thousands of dollars on video games, but I spent thousands of hours on it. At least 10,000 hours. At least. The bare minimum. Which I'm pretty sure is a year. I spent a whole year in video games. Imagine if I spent 10,000 hours doing something else. Imagine if I spent 10,000 hours speaking, talking to you, giving you value into my YouTube channel. Like, imagine how successful I would be able to become. Just because you dedicate, instead of just playing 1 hour a day of video games, you're able to do 1 hour of YouTube videos every day. When you're winding down, you're able to film 1 hour of video games, not YouTube videos. And another thing, bro, just video games are so stuck in my mind. Like, especially when you're surrounded by people like that in school. It's just always in your mind. It's like slowly thinking about it less and less, but as soon as you think about it, you want to play, you want to do this, and I don't play, but I do, like, think about it. And the thing that always doesn't make me play video games is I just think about doing those things in real life. So instead of playing Fortnite and getting some new skin, I got a skin right here, bro. Like, everybody's waiting for the new customizable superhero skins. Bro, you can literally customize your own skin. Customize your own skin. That's the only thing you need to do. That's how you get a 10 out of 10 skin. And it doesn't cost any V-Bucks. Okay, maybe like $20, $10, boom. What I've learned, though, from spending $3,000 on video games is that it teaches you a lot about discipline and delaying gratification. Because so many times I was thinking about, like, honestly, I don't want to say I spent my money wisely, but I didn't just randomly spend it on a bunch of things. But oh my gosh, I remember when this new Fortnite emote came out, and it was like the bunny hop one, and then cause it was like a yacht, it was like they were bouncing their butt around, bro. I asked my mom for another Visa gift card so I could buy that. And then I just go in creative, go in the lobby, and then just spam that emote. And then look up and spam that emote. Like, bro, what is wrong? Like, people are buying emotes and this in real life when you could literally just emote in real life. Boom, emote, 200 V-Bucks, 800 V-Bucks, boom, I just made $10. I just saved $10. I just saved $10. Alright, I'm so sorry I dabbed. Why did I dab? Why did I have to ruin it? I'm sorry. But seriously though, it teaches you a lot about discipline and delaying gratification, because even though I didn't spend my money wisely, I still spent it on things. I just didn't waste my V-Bucks. I didn't just buy some random thing. I still used it to my liking at the time. I remember almost buying when I was playing Minecraft and I got banned from a server. I considered buying an unban for $20. $20 to get back into the server because I got banned for cheating. And I was coping, saying, "Oh, I didn't cheat. I did. I didn't think the technology was good enough. But because AI is taking over the world, it's getting more powerful." But anyways, like, the server was gonna get a new season and then everybody gets unbanned, so I literally couldn't wait 1 month to just... I almost bought that unban, bro, for $20. $20 down the drain. And then another time in Fortnite, there was this save the world. Like, I don't even know if you get all this lingo and stuff about Fortnite, this and this, but it's fair enough if you don't. Stay innocent. It's not innocent, just stay strong, stay wise. Don't worry about these things. But I almost spent this $60 save the world bonus pack thing, which would just give me some extra guns and a few banners. Some banners, like just some little icon that nobody looks at in Fortnite, and I would have spent $60 to just get like three of those little banners that I'm probably never gonna wear. $60 I almost spent on that. Now I know, like, yeah, $60 isn't a lot of money, like long term, and like, you know, with inflation and money printing and stuff, but $60 and $20 almost spent when I just had $100 on my Visa gift card. Like, I had no value of money. Like, I just bought it on random things. And I would have gladly done something with that $100 Visa gift card. Bought some cool things on Amazon that would actually help me. But because I was able to have some amounts of discipline, I wasn't gonna buy that unbanned. I wasn't gonna buy that stupid $60 thing. I wasn't gonna buy this and this and this in Fortnite. I saved it and I delayed my gratification and waited for that cool skin in Fortnite to come out, and then I would buy it. I wouldn't be like, oh, this pickaxe looks cool. I delayed my gratification and then waited for that skin in the item shop to come and boom, buy it. Boom, dopamine, let's go. But now I just have a skin in real life, bro. Boom, my skin, bro. Look at these brown shorts. These brown shorts are fire, bro. You would not get that in some Fortnite game. Seriously. Especially nowadays with new things. Not even in video games, but with everything. Some new upgrade, new this, new crazy life hack thing that will make your days... You could be more lazy and relax more with this new invention that makes your food spin 3 times fast. There's some random, dumb, pointless things that so many people buy. So many people have AirPods, so many people have this and this, so many people have this cool little thing. Oh wow, it's cool. Other people will validate me for it. They don't really value their money and they don't spend it on the right things. I know it's subjective and it's opinionated to me, but I just don't think they're buying it on the right things that are going to elevate them. They're really not. Because people have money, but they're not willing. Yeah, I'm trying to say people have money, but they won't spend it on things that will help them and learn and invest in themselves. I know school makes it really boring to learn and this, but yeah, especially with the Black Friday sale, buy this 50% off. It's all just a temptation. And you have to have discipline and delay your gratification. So when that Fortnite skin, cool Fortnite skin comes in real life as like a new course, a new book, this and this, then you'll spend that money on that instead of buying it on some random pair of shoes that you don't really care about, or buying this or this. So yeah, after spending $3,000 on video games, I almost said 30,000. After spending $3,000 on video games, bro, like, it just made me realize that money is attainable. Like, how did I even get those $3,000? Yeah, it might have took me like a year waiting for Christmas, waiting for my birthday, but I was able to get $3,000 somehow when I was, what was I, like 10 to 13 years old? $3,000? Give or take a thousand more or less. $4,000 as a 12-year-old. And then I just spend that all on video games. So buy things your future self will like. Buy things that will invest in yourself. And just know, the less things you buy, the less things you have to worry about. And if you be a minimalist, you're able to be more disciplined with the things you buy. And like, do you really need this? Do you really need a new pair of AirPods? Do you really need a new pair of shoes? It might be nice, but do you need it? If not, there are probably other better things to spend money on. Like, honestly, bro, at this point, I don't care if you play video games. I don't care if you do this or this, bro. Just, like, don't spend so much money on it. Don't spend so much hours and time and energy. Because, like, I can tell you, like, don't play video games and this, but it's honestly your choice if you want to be more successful and have more hours to actually improve and put that into something meaningful. Or just, yeah, why not just watch another video? Why not just play some more video games? It's your choice, bro. I'm not, I don't want to convince you to do anything, but just please just don't spend as much money as I did. So next time you get an urge to buy something impulsively. Get an impulsive decision to buy. Take a moment and just think about it. Think about, is this gonna help you in a year, in 2 years? Also, do not buy things you don't really need. And when you do those things, it makes you a lot more disciplined than you realize. It delays your gratification a lot more so you can spend it on the things that you know are right. If you want to surround yourself with people who are willing to improve and not spend all their money on video games like everyone else, join my Discord community in the description. I'll be in there sometimes giving you more value, and maybe you could even ask what you should spend your money on specifically. Should I buy this or this or this? Because the more you delay your gratification and don't impulsively buy a bunch of things, the more successful you're actually able to be, because everyone else buys a million things, and I know we can actually be better than that. Join my Discord community, bro. You can leave it if you hate it for some reason, but try it out. You'll probably like it there. There's some good people in there that are willing to help you. I've seen it. Yeah, if you found this video helpful or interesting, like this video and click this video right here if you want to watch another one. Subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more beneficial videos to help you improve your life every single day, because I needed this when I was spending so much money on video games, not prioritizing my time and money. So yeah, like this video if you liked it. I'll see you later. This is what I learned from spending $3,000, $4,000, $2,000 on video games. Do better than me. Peace.